Hello everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our free InShot Masterclass. In day 1, we learned how to install InShot, create a project, navigate the editing workspace. Today, we are going to learn the most important editing tools that every video editor must know. There are splits, deletes, duplicates, and rearranging of clips. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to remove mistakes, cut unwanted sections, organize your clips. Before we start today's lesson, if for example you were working on a particular project and you forgot to save that particular project before leaving the InShot application, you can just tap on this video section. Then you'll be able to see the list of drafts below this plus sign. You can just check the particular video you were working on before you left. You can just check on it, or before you close the application, you can just click on it, then resume your editing. Now, before we begin editing, let's quickly review the timeline. This is the timeline. The timeline is where all your photos and video clips are arranged. Each clip appears as a separate block. So now, when you edit a clip, the changes happens directly on the timeline. Think of the timeline as your video's workspace. Now, let's begin with the first tool, which is the trim tool. Sometimes your video contains unnecessary footage at the beginning or end of a video. For example, the camera starts recording before you are ready, or you stop speaking but the recording continues, or you don't want the first or last few seconds of your video. To remove this unwanted section, you must use the trim tool. Now, how to trim your video clip? The first step is to tap on the video clip. This is my first video clip. Now, I don't want the first 5 seconds of my video clip. Now, how to know the seconds of a particular video clip? I'm going to show you how to know the seconds of your video clip. Okay, this is where your video clip, the seconds of your video clips are counted. And then this here is the total seconds of a particular video clip. Now, I want to trim the first 5 seconds of my video clip. I don't want it, I want to trim it out. Now is to drag the left handle inwards to remove the first 5 seconds of the video clip. Just drag the left handle inwards to remove the first 5 seconds. Okay, you can see as we are dragging to the left, the seconds of the video clip keeps reducing. So you can see it keeps reducing, and the total seconds of this particular clip is 9.8. So since we are removing the first 5 seconds of the video clip, we are going to be left with 4.8. Okay, let's drag. Good, this 4.8. That means we have removed the first 5 seconds of the video clip. Now that we are done trimming the first 5 seconds of our video clip, now we'll tap the play to preview our results. Okay, this is it. Great. Now that we are done learning how to trim a particular clip, now let's learn splitting video clips. Sometimes you only want to remove or edit a section in the middle of a video. This is where split comes in. For example, imagine you recorded a 30-second video clip. Between seconds 10 and 15, someone walked in front of the camera. Instead of deleting the entire clip, you can choose to split it. Now let's use the second clip as our example. We are done with the first clip. The first clip, I taught you how to trim a particular video clip. Now the second clip, I'm going to teach you how to split a particular part of a video. Okay, so if for example we want to split this part of the video, we don't want this created by IFEs. We don't want it to show in our video. So what we have to do is to drag to the beginning of the created by IFEs. Drag to the beginning. Okay, this is the beginning of the created by IFEs. You drag to this part, and then you check for the split options. then you tap on split. You can see these are two different clips. We have splitted them. There are two different clips now. If, for example, you notice that you make a mistake, maybe you don't want to split again, you want to go back to the previous work, you don't want to split again, you can just click this part. This is undo split, or to undo your work, the work you did. Maybe you find it was a mistake, you can just undo it. And then if you want to split again, go back to redo. Now it has splitted. You can see, if you don't want it to be splitted again, you can just go back to this part. You can see this is just one particular video, one particular video clip. Now if you want to split again, split, you can see two different video clips now. Two different video clips. We have splitted it. This is the end of the second video clip. This is our first video clip. And then this is our second video clip. This is where the second video clip ends. And then this is where our third video clips end. Now, if you want to delete this particular last video clip, the one we splitted, if you want to delete this one, you can just tap on this delete tool, this one, and that's it. Now you can play your video. Okay. Welcome to Delight. Now you see that created by iFizz has been splitted and deleted from this particular video clip. So this is how to split and delete your videos. Now let's move on to the next tool, which is duplicating clip or duplicate tool. Now you may want to use a particular clip more than once. So instead of going back to import the clip, you can just choose to duplicate the clip. For example, now, like I said, I imported 3 video clips. This is the first video clip, second, and the third. Now let's say we want to duplicate this last clip. So instead of importing it again, what we have to do is to duplicate it. Now let's look for the duplicate tool from the editing tools. Before that, we have to tap on the particular clip we want to duplicate. Tap on it, then we look for the duplicate tool. Good, this is the duplicate tool. Then tap on it. As you can see, we have created 2 of these clips. We did not need to import the clip over again. We have duplicated it. As you can see, let's play.
Caring teachers and a safe, inspiring environment. From modern learning tools to moral values and competence building, we prepare every child for success. Enroll today at Delight Academy, lighting the path to a brighter future. Welcome to Delight Academy, where bright
Good. This is the end of the third clip, and then this is the beginning of the fourth clip, the one we duplicated. This is the beginning of the third clip.
Welcome to Delight Academy,
and then this is the end of the third clip. This is the beginning of the fourth duplicated clip.
Welcome to Delight Academy, where bright minds shine. Give your child a strong academic foundation. Caring teachers.
Now let's move on to the last tutorial of our day 2 InShot Masterclass lesson, and that is rearranging of clip. The order of your clip tells your story. Sometimes you may import clips in the wrong order. Fortunately, InShot makes it easy to rearrange these clips. Now, how to rearrange the clips? First step is to press and hold the clip. Just press and hold any part of your clip. Now we can see all the clips that we have. We have the 4 clips, both the duplicated clip. Remember, we duplicated a particular clip. Now if, for example, we want to move, maybe we don't want clip number 1 to be at the beginning, want to take it to the end of our video, you can just hold clip number 1 and drag it to the end of our video. You can see we have rearranged it. If, for example, we don't want the clip number 3 to be in its particular position, maybe we want to take it to clip number 1, you can just move it to number 1, hold and drag to number 1. You can see we have rearranged our clip. Now we just press outside, press the preview window and play.
Welcome to Delight Academy, where bright minds shine. Give your child a strong academic foundation, caring teachers, and a safe, inspiring environment. From modern learning tools to moral.
Okay, that's for clip number 1. Clip number 2. Clip number 3. Always preview your work before saving. Always preview your work before saving.
Moral values and competence building. We prepare every child for success. Enroll today at Delight Academy, lighting the path to a brighter future.
Okay, now that we are done, in order to save our video, we tap on export. Tap on export. And then you can see our video is converting. So once it gets to 100%, we'll be done converting our video and our video will save. So today we learned how to trim clips, how to split clips, how to delete unwanted footage, how to duplicate clips, how to rearrange clips. These are the basic editing skills used in almost every video project. In day 3, we'll learn how to add music, sound effects, and voiceovers to make our videos more engaging and professional. Okay, we are almost done. So if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next class. Thank you so much for watching. See you in day 3 of InShot Masterclass. Bye.